Hello everyone, welcome to Just Add Masala, and this recipe is about how to make Paneer Paratha. The ingredients required are given in the description box below, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Let's get started. In a hot pan, add some oil, some carom seeds, some finely chopped onion, finely chopped green chilli, half a teaspoon ground turmeric, half a teaspoon ground red chilli, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon Garam Masala, and saute the mixture for 1 minute. Add some salt to expedite the process. Now turn off the flame and add 1 cup grated paneer. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. The paneer stuffing is ready. To make the paratha dough, take 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, add some lukewarm water and knead well to make a soft dough. Rest the dough for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into small portions. Take 1 portion of the dough and spread it into a small circle. Now we are going to keep 1 tablespoon of the filling in this circle. Fold the edges together and remove the excess dough. Now flatten this dough. Dust some dry flour and spread it again into a thin, flat circle. If a little paneer filling comes outside, it's okay. It will get roasted. No issues about it. Now, in a hot tawa or pan, apply some oil. Place the flattened paratha over the pan. Apply ghee or clarified butter both sides and cook well. That's all. Your paneer paratha is ready to serve. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you.